How Tesla's phone will destroy Apple's dominance. When Elon Musk enters the industry, you are working and getting ready for something extraordinary because he is Elon The Incredible Musk. Apple, Samsung, Huawei are the recent kings of the mobile market, but this reign is soon about to over because Elon Musk is introducing the Tesla's Pi into the industry. This mobile phone is a lot more than just a phone with an internet connection with Starlink, an AI-enabled handset that will put the mobile industry upside down. In this video, we will explore how Tesla's Model Pi will rule over the mobile industry. Before we take you to explore Tesla's Pi smartphone, if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. What is so cool about Tesla Phone Pi? The richest man on the planet, Elon Musk, is all set to destroy the mobile industry with his new smartphone Pi. It's been so long, mobile phones have been boring as hell, but don't worry guys, Tesla's here to excite you and upgrade your standards. Tesla's Pi is a powerful weapon. This set comes with its insane ecosystem. Tesla is planning to knock out all the brands with only its first mobile phone, and why not guys, the company is owned by Elon Musk. We cannot expect less. After taking over the world's car making industry and the electrical devices industry, smartphones will be the next target of Tesla. But what is so cool about this phone? We understand your curiosity and we will provide you first-hand information about Tesla's new Pi. Every feature and specification will be soon in your knowledge, but keep in mind Apple, Samsung, Huawei are the status symbol throughout the world. Will Tesla break this? Let's find out. Without further ado, this amazing phone will have Qualcomm Snapdragon 898 or maybe even higher because Elon Musk is popular for in-time improvement and changes, you know. Do you still have to delete apps and your favorite pictures to make space in your phone? Well, don't worry. Elon Musk heard you because Pi will have 2 terabytes of flash storage. This phone is the ultimate answer to most of your phone problems with an outstanding Super AMOLED display. This phone is made to create new standards. The specs are not over here. For every camera lover and space lover, Elon Musk have some things really cool. Tesla's Model Pi will have quad camera and also a sub-screen front side camera, and you will be shocked to find out that this phone will be able to capture images of our dear Milky Way. This phone would not stop to amaze you with its features and even with its colors because it will have a special coating that will allow the phone to change the color of the smartphone, maybe triggered by light or some other environmental effects. But isn't it amazing? We all talk about solar energy consumption and usage, but did you ever imagine your phone can also run on solar energy? I bet you haven't, but Elon Musk is always ahead of your thought processes. So yes, Tesla's Model Pi is able to charge in sunlight. You just have to place your phone in sunlight and boom, you get 100% battery scale. Tesla's fans will have more benefits from it, and they can connect their Pi smartphones with their cars and control it. This feature is not limited to Tesla's car only. It could any model, any car, or any vehicle. This phone is our future, and it is designed to behave that way. It can connect with Starlink internet devices and can work smoothly on Mars. We all know Mars will be our next homeland, and we will soon become multi-planetary species, and this phone will have exactly this feature. Among many of the other features, which are not confirmed yet, some are a downloading speed of 210 megabytes, working connectivity with Neuralink, and will help you connect your brain with your phone and do accordingly. This phone is the future, and we are not wrong here because this will be the first handset that will allow you to mine cryptocurrencies, and this will be the only phone to connect with the satellite. Applying every feature mentioned above, Elon Musk has not left any mole for any competitor to sneak out and dominate again. When and how did Apple and Tesla become competitors? Tesla has never disappointed us when it comes to cars. A car that is perfect for every need and fits in every style. Tesla is a global network with some crazy high-tech features combined with a powerful battery. Tesla is a leader in solar energy appliances and very well how to make use of this natural resource. But when you challenge a leader in all high-tech specs, you know what happens. The same situation happened when Apple tried to come into the electric car industry and tried to steal the status symbol of electric cars from Tesla. There were rumors that Apple was working to enter the electric car world. Some other rumors talk that they are building a whole car but reduced it to a software power. And more recently, these rumors are ringing again, but we know they're having a hard time there. They are aiming to provide a self-driving car by 2025, with no steering or pedals and an interior that will allow the passenger to sit in a U-shaped seat formation. Apple indirectly challenged Tesla and other electric car making companies, saying, "We continue to believe it's a matter of when, not if, Apple enters the electric vehicle race." So, this is the perfect opportunity for Musk to show Apple how to step into another industry and turn it upside down with his revolutionary Model Pi. Although Tesla and Apple do not work in the same industry, it is still possible to overlap each other's business, especially as Apple continues to step into the vehicle market. Apple is still $1 trillion company with a net worth of $2.4 trillion company. But this network can be far more than this if Apple CEO has taken over Tesla at Elon Musk's request. But the rivalry is an old tale when Elon Musk asked Apple CEO Tim Cook to meet him, but he decided to refuse the meeting proposal. Elon Musk elaborates the whole scenario in his tweet, saying, "Cook and I have never spoken or written to each other ever. There is a point where I requested to meet with Cook to talk about Apple buying Tesla. There were no conditions of acquisition proposed whatsoever. He refused to meet. Tesla was worth 6% of today's value." Who knew Tesla was about to skyrocket the world finance stats? According to Yahoo Finance, Tesla is worth $680 right now, and it is still struggling to deliver cars of premium quality and standard, and now to break the status symbol of mobile market rulers. This is how Tesla's Model Pi will skyrocket. With its irresistible features and specifications superior to every other mobile making company, Tesla is going to rule the market. The world has seen up till now only the extraordinary features of the iPhone 13 Pro Max, but wait, Tesla's Pi is waving from behind. While iPhone makes the intercontinental calls using the Python language, Pi will make interplanetary calls straight from the Earth to the land of Mars. For Apple, this will be sweet revenge from Elon Musk because they face a hard time securing their fading status back. And soon everyone will remember when people used to queue up to get the new model of iPhone. But wait, what about the people who have sold their kidney for iPhone? We feel pity because they are not left with any more options to hand on Tesla's Model Pi. And through this grand entry into the mobile industry, Elon Musk will make his dollar stats will reach the sky level. The Pi set will ultimately benefit Elon Musk as it links to Starlink, Tesla's electric cars, and Neuralink. This is no surprise. His brilliant business strategy is one of the reasons why he is the richest man on earth right now. We can see here how he managed this graph here and even for the future. No wonder this man is made to bring revolutions wherever he steps, and we have the same expectations about Pi. The Apple dominance is soon to meet the end, since everyone will be looking for something that can connect with Starlink with a furious internet speed, solar charging facility, and a camera that you have never used before. If you are also keen on Tesla's Model Pi smartphone that will make magic in your hands, you are not alone, guys. We are along with you. What makes the Pi phone more appealing is that it has an automatic color changing coding and a list of more features. We hope you've enjoyed the video, because if you are an Elon Musk fan, this video was exactly meant for you. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. Stay tuned for more interesting videos about Tesla CEO Elon Musk.